Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Know the AP model, admin username, and current SSID so you aren't locked out. Once connected by Ethernet or secure Wi-Fi, open your browser and type the router's IP address, often 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1. Log in with the admin credentials. If you don't know them, check the device label or your password manager. Make sure you're on a stable connection, because changing settings over an unstable link can cause. You now find the wireless or SSID settings in the admin UI. Menus are often labeled wireless, Wi-Fi, or network. Once there, select the band you want to rename to 4 GHz, 5 GHz, or both, and edit the SSID field. Use a concise, recognizable name without odd special characters and keep it under 32 characters. Also review encryption. Make sure WPA2 or WPA3 is enabled. When done, save or apply changes. The AP may restart and briefly drop connections. You finish by applying the changes and waiting for the access point to reboot. This often takes a minute. Once the AP is back, reconnect your devices to the new SSID using the same password unless you changed it. If a device won't see the SSID, make sure the band is enabled and not hidden. As a key troubleshooting tip, power cycle the router and clear the device's saved Wi-Fi profile before reconnecting. That resolves most lingering connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.